No, now.
For number 32, section 32, joinder of adulterers. Imagine if a person has committed adultery with 17 people. I know.
Committee of adulterers.
What are if side chicks are for male concubines? What are women?
Side piece.
No,
Side
Sugar
man.
boys.
Sugar boys.
No, all of them are
Side
sugar
hand.
boys. So I bet
No, the man
some of them
that
are not
is
sugar
beside
boys.
the
Anna is the sugar boy.
sugar boys.
Weekend thing.
What are sugar men?
Sure.
Okay, I saw a video yesterday, a very hilarious video of a woman sleeping out,
When the husband
and the husband called her, and the guy did not stop. God help us. So we are in a petition for a decree of the solution of marriage. Or in an answer to such a petition, a party to the marriage is alleged to have committed adultery with a specified person. Whether or not a decree of dissolution of marriage is sought on the basis of that allegation, that person shall, except as provided by rules of God, be made a party to the proceeding.
That's what she earlier stated. That if someone has committed adultery with a particular person, the person is supposed to be made a party or a co-respondent to the suit.
However, it says, except the rules provide otherwise. So, except when the rule says, so it's almost like an important fact to add the person. So far as there's anything relating to adultery. I think I've had a suit like that.
That you, Mr. Adidu, you slept with my wife.
So day.
It's like yes, like what you're saying, the proceedings might not have weight because the adulterer, the external person is not there. So we are saying the law is saying join the person, except the rules provide otherwise. So it's necessary. I don't know, was he around when he was consummating another person's
You will come from where you are.
No, even if the proceeding, any party
Just why you sounding like you used to consummate people's marriage.
even where the proceedings, even where the respondent is not in town, he is joined. So, 2, we are in a petition for a decree of dissolution of marriage, or in an answer to such a petition, a party to the marriage is alleged to have committed rape or sodomy on or with a specified person. Whether or not a decree of dissolution of marriage is sought on the basis of that allegation, that person shall, except as provided by rules of court, be served with notice that the allegation has been made and is thereupon entitled to intervene in the proceeding. I think this follows on the first one. It's just saying that beyond the joining, the person should be served. Service is to put the person on notice that there is such an allegation against you. So that
This one is different. This one is rape.
Okay, yes.
Adultery is different from rape.
Yes.
That one Otubo originally agreed by herself, but this other one now.
What do you mean?
Okay, so the person that was raped should be put on notice.
Yes.
No, the respondent that has been alleged to have committed rape or sodomy should be put on notice that such an allegation has been made, and he should come and intervene in the proceedings.
No, that's not.
No,
the respondent is already a party to the proceeding. The proceeding
naturally
for petition for dissolution of marriage is both the petitioner and the respondent. And so the person that was raped, you know, a woman can allege that the husband raped another person or is sleeping with their daughter. You understand? So that kind of thing now, the person should be put on trial.
Let's use that example again. That's people with daughter. Don't use that example.
Oh, what the thing around us?
That's just the thing. Just did my body more.
So where a person has been made a party to proceedings for a decree of dissolution of marriage in pursuance of subsection 1 above, the court may, on the application of that person, if it is satisfied after the close of the case for the party to the marriage who alleged adultery, that there is not sufficient evidence to establish that that person committed adultery with the other party to the marriage, dismiss that person from the proceedings.
But the only thing with this thing is that this thing is definitely very difficult to prove.
No, adultery is one of the most difficult things to prove, except it's caught on the spot.
Very difficult.
But I think first establishing what this section is saying for the purpose of
your wife coming out from a hotel, it cannot fly.
Yeah.
Like you saw your wife come, unless you were there when there was the digging, there was the digging of
You
So she
understand?
might have gone to collect something from the hotel.
Yes.
She was sent to go and.
She might have gone for a meeting.
Eh? Is it only hotel that they used to commit adultery?
What if he's connected with someone coming out to the hotel, like holding hands and maybe
That does not
That
mean
does
you
not
saw them
mean
committing
committing
adultery. The man can say they went there, the woman can say they went there for a meeting. She can say it's her best friend. Maybe they have male besties now.
They do.
Yes. I think it's very difficult to prove adultery.
It's very difficult.
And if you actually get the person on the spot,
Oh,
you might not
it's
wait for dissolution of
secret camera.
marriage.
You will dissolve it.
Hate of passion. They will be checking the criminal intent, whether he intended to do it or it was actually in the heat of passion.
Unless for you to catch somebody on adultery, that means you must have made a proper
Does
investigation.
adultery have a criminal on that too?
No, like a man catches his wife red-handed. Instead of us to be discussing the solution of
His
marriage,
mother will be talking murder.
But then we'll now be checking the heat of passion. Did he allow passion
Kill
to
am
cool?
away, no kill am.
Then the intent, criminal intent, does he have intention to kill or it was that pressure? Because once it's not heat of passion, there's already criminal intent. So once a party who is a party to the adultery is joined in the suit and they cannot establish that there was actually adultery by reasonable facts, then that person will be dismissed. That is, the joinder will be removed. The person will be removed from the person. They can dissolve their marriage, but that person will be dismissed.
That was for somebody to be able to catch, for example, for you to be able to prove proper adultery. That means maybe like your wife is sleeping with like your driver. Then you now set all this camera
Yes,
in the house. That means you take a full blown process
Yes.
on the thing already. You have strengthened your mind.
Yes.
If not other than that,
so suspicion now will not fly.
no. Suspicion cannot fly. Does it fly anywhere now?
In law, suspicion does not fly.
So proof in law is hard though.
It's not hard. It's just that you need a good lawyer to prove.